Hello guys, Vlogs Calvo here. Quick POV video at a Walmart Supercenter in Oviedo, Florida. Do have to go to Kohl's. Didn't know Kohl's was right next door. Might go to Kohl's if I have time, don't know. Need to buy some underwear and socks. As always, drop any feedback down below. And we'll be back once I'm parked.
That's too big for her.
Oh, on the back, and she can pick it up.
Excuse me?
Oh, sorry. Not big. Look at my mom, that's all.
Pretty massive store. Dude wipes. Nerf Ultimate Blaster Pack, $22.48 from $30. Hot Wheels. Always attracted to the Hot Wheels. Literally just bought one of these from Amazon. Not a bad price.
Let's find out.
Bleach. Not dude wipes. $6.98. travel center, so I guess this is good for TSA. Don't see that at every Walmart. Pharmacy. Bluey. Nice. Well, that's pretty much all, guys. I gotta get going. Got a couple errands to run in the morning. Let's see if they have any Pokemon. Nope.
But we have our month-to-month option, which is 25, 30, or 35.
All right, guys. That's gonna be the end of it. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Vlogs Calvo out. Bye.